cost to repair a shoe heel varies significantly based on several key factors. Understanding these factors will help you estimate your potential expense before visiting a cobbler or shoe repair shop. The primary driver of cost is the type of shoe and the type of heel it has. For instance, replacing a simple rubber heel tap on a pair of men's dress shoes is one of the most common and affordable repairs. This service typically costs between $10 and $25. The price depends on the quality of the rubber tap used and the labor involved. Women's shoes, especially stilettos, have different requirements. Replacing the tiny plastic or metal tips on a pair of high heels is also a very common repair, usually costing between $15 and $30. However, if the entire stiletto heel stock is broken or needs to be replaced, the cost can jump dramatically, ranging from $40 to $75 or more, particularly for designer brands that may require specific parts. Another major factor is the material of the heel itself. A standard rubber heel block is much cheaper to replace than a stacked leather heel. Repairing or rebuilding a worn-down stacked leather heel on a pair of boots or dress shoes can cost between $30 and $50 because it requires more skill and time to match the layers and finish them correctly. The extent of the damage also plays a crucial role in the final price. A heel that is merely worn down is a simpler fix than one that has completely detached from the shoe, which may involve additional work to secure the shoe's internal structure. Your geographic location and the reputation of the cobbler matter as well. A highly skilled craftsman in a major metropolitan area will naturally charge more than a small, local shop in a suburban town. Before deciding to repair, consider the original value of the shoe. Spending $30 to fix a $200 pair of quality leather shoes is a wise investment that extends their life. Conversely, spending that same amount on a $40 pair of fast fashion shoes may not be economically sensible. Ultimately, for a basic heel tip or tap replacement, you can expect to pay a modest fee, making it a very worthwhile maintenance task. For more complex structural repairs or premium materials, the cost increases but often saves you from having to purchase a new pair of high-quality shoes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more helpful tips.